Yes, good morning, people. Positive Vibes on Positive Vibes TV. Earlier in the morning, I am here at Franklin Park. I'm here with Benjamin Walker in the morning. I just get some exercise, you know, while walking, while Benjamin go to the tidy, the potty, the bathroom. Yeah, so that's the morning with them. It's a beautiful morning here in Boston. It's a beautiful vibe here in Boston. It's now Benny. It's yeah, Sunday morning here in Boston, and it's a beautiful morning. Like I always said, it's a blessing. It's good to wake up this morning. It's a pleasure, and we don't take it for granted. With that, we're gonna make the best of the Benny. Let's go, Papa. I want to show you what Benjamin. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Come here, Papa. Hey. I'm not sure what's going on over there. But there's something going on over there. I'm not sure what it is. But something's going on over there.
We've got two loops. We have the 1.6-mile loop and then, of course, the 5K, which is two loops.
Some kind of a race.
8:45. Everybody down to the right start.
Benny. Run, Benny. Hey, hey. Run, Papa. Hey, let's go. Hey, I said let's go. Hey, come here. Run. Come here. Hey, come here, Papa. Come here, Papa. Come here, Papa. He's a good boy. He's a good Papa. There's something going on over there. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a beautiful vibe out here. There's the blessing right there, actually. There's the blessing right there. Beautiful sunshine in the morning here. That's a beautiful blessing. We give thanks and praise. Selassie Jah Rastafari. Blessings. Okay, Benny, let's go home to mommy. Ready to go see mommy? Hey, look, there's a bone. Hey, look. Get it. Give me. Get it. What's the deal? Give me. Where's the bone? Where's the stick? You can't find it. You can't find it. It's right here. Look. Give me my stick. Give me my stick. Give me my stick. Give me my stick, boy. This stick you want to play. I'm coming for my stick. I'm coming for my stick. Give me my stick. Give me my stick. It's a good boy. Hey, he's a good boy. I don't have water for you. I don't have water for you. Look at me. Where's mommy? Benny, where's mommy? Hey. Up. Yes, Franklin Park there, Beautiful nature walk in the morning. There's people running. I think we're gonna go this way, Benny. Let's go to the dirt road. Yeah, beautiful nature walk here in the morning. There's squirrel going up the trees. Yeah, we're out here, man. Positive vibes with Benjamin, Nature walk vibes. There's Benjamin in the foreground right there. Benny, come on, Papa. Keep it moving, Papa. Nature walk style. Yeah. So that's what we're doing here in the morning. It's like I said, it's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Boston. Wearing my headphone. And yeah, Zena is sleeping, Mommy's still sleeping. So we decided we're gonna come out here and do a little nature walk. And Benjamin and I. Yeah. it with Benjamin. He loves nature walks. I don't have water for him because this walk was not planned. We were supposed to just go outside to the party, and we decided, while we're outside, we're just gonna go walking. And as you guys can see, Benjamin is a disciplined dog, very disciplined dog. So careful, boy. What's in there? What's over there? What's over there, Papa? What is it? Careful. I'm trying to see what's emerging. What's over there, Papa? Wanna go? Okay. What's over there, man? So all I have to look out for while I'm here walking is other dogs. Because there are other dogs been running around and they're not as friendly as Benjamin is. Come on, stop. Wait for me. Discipline. Stop. We want to go that way or that way? That way? Hey, Benny, you want to go this way or that way? Yeah, let's go this way. Let's go see what's over here. No. That water is not for you. Let's go home and get water then. So I guess this nature walk gonna cut short because I didn't bring no cash to buy us some water, and you were just about to drink some water from that puddle right there. So I think we're gonna cut this nature walk short and we're gonna go home. Birds flying. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful piece. I think there's a nest right there. I'm not sure what kind of nest it is. If I can zoom in. Benny, come here. If it's a squirrel nest or a bird nest of some sort. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, there's a nest up there. Yes, and walk continue. Benny, come over here, Papa. Let's go take a bath. We're going home. We're going to take a bath. Yeah, you're going to take a bath. I probably have to take a bath too. Well, look at this tree. It's a big old tree. Look at it going all the way up. All the way up. Yeah. Then there's another big one that was over there. This fall. The only thing with these trees, they might look big and bold, but inside they're hollow. They're hollow inside, so therefore, I don't like to stand beneath them. Come on, Benny. Come on. Hey, come here. Come on, Papa. Let's stand still. Is another dog coming? Okay. Let's go. Run! Run! Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm not sure what this place is, but it's some kind of I'm not sure what it is, but it's some kind of an old place, obviously, some old place. I'm not sure what was used to be in there. Look like, not sure. Hey, come here. Come. Gonna find our way out of here. I'm not sure what this place is, or used to be. This is the other side, the back side of it, I think. But they have like right there they have like a grill. You know what I mean? Was it a prison kind of some sort? Not sure. Benny. go all the way back here. See that? Benny, where you at? What are you doing in there? What's in there? Go. Go. Go, Benny. What's over there? Come here. What are you doing? Okay, come on. Come on. Yeah, this place, still try to figure it out. There's no like signage that tells you what it is or what it was. But it's a place. I'm sure. Come on, boy. So we're in the park, and the street is just right there. Right there. And there's the beautiful sunshine. That's the energy right there. Give thanks for life. Benny! Hey! Let's go. Okay, we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. If we see something, I'll share with you. But for now, Benjamin and I, we're going to keep walking. Benjamin! Benjamin! Listen to me. Stop. Listen to me. I say no, I mean no. Look at me. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Let's go. Something. This way, boy. This way. Now we're gonna head back on the road now. So we're leaving the park in here and we're going there. Come on. Now you see, I'm thinking you should go that way. This way, Papa. You go that way. Let's go that way. We're gonna go on the cool shade. So now we're gonna run across the street. Okay, Papa, run! Run, Papa, run! This way, Papa, run! Run, Papa, hey, this way, cross, hey! This way, man. We cross the street, I said. Okay, come on, let's go. So from here on, I'm gonna show you guys why I walk in without leash. Benny, come on. You're gonna notice every time he sees, it's not a stop sign, but like a crosswalk with that yellow handicap ramp, that yellow stop. You see, he's gonna stop. Either way, stay tuned and watch me and Benjamin. Love and respect. And if you reach this far on the video, just kindly subscribe to Positive Vibes TV. Go! Thank you in advance. Love is real. It's a blessing to wake up. We give thanks for life. Irie. Yes, people, welcome back to Positive Vibes TV. Like you guys will just see, we're in the park. We're just right there. That's where we were just now. We're just right there. So we were over there, and we walked all the way that way, and then we came down, and now we're right here. And there's Benjamin right there. And there, so we're just gonna keep walking that direction. We're gonna go that direction, and then we're gonna go home. Right, Benny? Benny's very happy. Good to be home. We're just getting some exercise, yeah? All right, stay tuned. See if he's gonna stop. See that? Stop. Okay. Go. Discipline, discipline. Smart, smart. I'll show you more coming up too. All these little paths This way, come over here. See that stuff. Okay. That's what's up. Red light. Slow down and look back. Now he stops. And then I look up and down. Then I give him a sign now. Say, okay, Papa, go. And then they're gone. Yeah. So that's what's up, man. Good boy. Sometimes he's pain in the neck. Sometimes but he's good boy. All right, keep it moving. Brand new building. It's a brand new building. Brand new building. That used to be like a, you know, they call it the garage, something like that. Go ahead, baby. You all right?
Wait.
This way. Hey, come on. Stay right. Okay, Papa. Right this way. Getting tired? Getting tired? Wait for me. Wait for me. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. That's people. Again, Positive Vibes. From Positive Vibes TV. Out there, we're still on the journey, still on the walk. Just walking this morning, just to get some exercise. We've been walking for about 3 miles now, and we're going to continue to walk probably 2 hours, 3 miles. Yeah, so probably do about 6 miles on a Sunday morning here. Like I said, it's a beautiful day here in Boston. I'm out here walking with Benjamin. Benjamin is ahead, and I'll show it to you right now. Benjamin ahead of me. All these paintings, all this stuff. Benny, where you at? Get back over here. So we gotta keep it moving, keep it moving. We gotta make sure. Okay, let's go. Good. And right here, Roxbury Community College. I attended this college when I first came to the US in 1991. Yeah, 1991. 1991. So it's called Roxbury Community College. That's where I attend that college right there. And I didn't finish, unfortunately, because school is not my thing. But I spent some time in this college. Yeah. But I have a great career, and I'm doing good in life. no complaint. And like I was saying, that I attend that college, Roxbury Community College. I did not finish, but I got no regrets, man. School is not for everyone, and I am one of those persons who it's not for. But I have a good career right now. I'm doing well in life. I have no complaints. I have no regrets. And I just give thanks for life. Like I said, it's a beautiful day here in the morning. I just give thanks for waking up. Yeah, man. Life goes on. It's a blessing, man. Hey, let's go, boy. Get over here. Try to give problem already. I think he's probably tired of drinking water. Hey, keep it moving. Nothing there to eat. Where we get home? Roxbury Community College. This is what it is. Yeah, I'll show you the sign. He's chasing squirrel. You can't get that squirrel, man. That squirrel, here he is. He's a little squirrel right there. He's a little squirrel. And then he's chasing. Hey, squirrel. Squirrel. Hey, leave the squirrels alone. Let's go. Squirrels are looking for food. Leave them alone. This is it. Alright, this is it right here. Okay. Roxbury Community College. I attend this college. Give you a close-up of the sign. Roxbury Community College. Yeah, so out here Benjamin. Here's Benjamin. And here's me. Like I said, I attend Roxbury Community College. I attend Roxbury Community College. Yes, positive vibes need that. If I'm out to drive people, I need water. We've been walking for a long time, so now, yeah. All right? Let's go. Keep it moving. Hi, Papa. What are you chasing? What did you see? What did you see? A lot of people are very skeptical of me walking without a leash. They're saying, careful, he's gonna run away, he's gonna get spooked, and he's gonna run, and he's gonna do this, and he's do that. Yeah, you know, like anyone else, people or animals, they get spooked. But I tell you what, this boy is so smart, he gets spooked, he's coming right back to me. He's not running to anywhere he don't know. Come here, get off there. Come on. He's coming right back to me. Yeah, like I was saying, people are very skeptical about me walking Benjamin without leash. And I always tell them that he gained my trust. He gained my trust. People are skeptical and they're concerned about him running, chasing birds or the dogs, or just running wildly, or he gets spooked and just like run. But anything like that happen, he's coming back to me. Anyhow, he gets scared, or he gets spooked, or he feel uncomfortable, or feel endangered, he's coming right back to me. So come on, Benny, let's go. Get off here. Let's go. So he's not one of those dogs that just be fool and running around crazy. It's my guy right here. It's my guy. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. That's just the layout of the college right here. Building 1, building 2 trees here. Hey, Papa. Peepee time. Peepee time. Gonna take a bath, boy. Taking a shower, you go home. We've been walking for a long time. And we've been walking around with those shoes. So it's time to take a bath. Yes, sir. Yes, people, go to college, go to school and get your education. Take charge of your future. Join us today. Roxbury Community College. Take charge of your future, people. Right? Benny? Yeah. Young people, take charge of your future. Do the right thing. And you can be something in life. Don't be a statistic in life. You be something in life. Alright? Yeah, take my advice. Tired, wanna rest? Wanna rest? Let me go show the people the sign over here. Hey, this way, this way, this way. At night time, the sign lit up Roxbury Community College. There's a sign right, Roxbury Community College. Yeah. Alright, there's a mosque over there. Right there. Over there, that's a beautiful energy. Right there, right there's people going to work. Those big bus people going to work. Hey boy, hey, let's go. Benjamin, let's go, come on. Hey, hey, let's go. Stand, stop. Stop, don't move, stay. Stay. Okay, run. There's the mosque. Malcolm X Boulevard. And over here, you have one of the basketball players. He died of a heart attack or some kind of a heart attack or something. I think his name is Reggie Lewis. Reggie Lewis, I think his name is. I am not sure, but I think that's what his name is. So yeah, he died of heart attack. So he built this, called it Reggie Lewis Center, and it's like a sports complex where like they do a lot of events and athletic stuff. And, yeah. So that's what that is. And at the same time, we are here walking, still walking. Me and Benjamin. All right. We'll get you back later. See you later. Bye. That playground right there, they just built that playground maybe like a year ago. And this is behind the mosque. If you can see, the mosque is right there and the playground is right here. And if you look right there, there's the bus stop right here. Right? This is the bus stop right here. So this is the bus stop right. Sorry, brother. I'm just doing a little video. So this is the bus stop right here. And so when people come here and they waiting for the bus, they have their kids can play right there while they wait for the bus, because some of these people, they get up early in the morning and they go to work. So before they go to work, they have to drop their kids off. And so to do so, they're coming home tired, kids tired. They have to just let the kids, do what they do. Be kids. Yeah, man. And that's what it is. That is it, man. So stay tuned and just keep walking with us. Benjamin is still here. Yes, people, welcome back, Positive Vibes TV. And like I showed you earlier, you got the Reggie Lewis Center, that's basketball complex. Well, if you look not far beside it, just next door, you have the Madison Park Technical High School. So, yeah. So it's a long building. So if you can see, it's from there. And if you can notice, it go all the way up there. I can't even see the end of it. So I'll show you the end of it when I get up there. All right? Stay tuned. Again, come people, welcome back. And over here, it's a beautiful sight right here. In the winter time, this place is beautiful. Like ice crystal, they farm. And it's just like all over the place. So it's nice. It's nice in the winter time. Yeah? Hey! Yeah, Papa! Got the house on the rock. Hey, boy! Hey, Papa! Come here, Papa! What do you do? Let's go home. Let's go get water. Let's go see mommy. All right, people, welcome back. Like I showed you earlier, Madison Park High School. Remember I told you it was a long building? No, that's where I showed it to you from, that way. Now watch it. All the way, and it's going to continue all the way up there. Yeah. See that? And it's still going all the way. Yeah. But we're still walking out here. Still walking, me and Benjamin. And Roxbury Heritage State Park up there. Maybe we should go see what that is. Gonna go up there? Yeah? Alright, let's go up there. Let's go see what it is. Benjamin said he wants to go up there, so let's go see. Wait for me. I'm tired. People have their little garden. I guess these are scallions and green onions. Otherwise. Okay, Benny. We're not gonna go up there, Papa. You think we can walk back that way? Benjamin. Benjamin, I don't know if we can. Yeah, I think we can. Okay, Papa. This way, Papa. City of Boston. We're not too far from the city of Boston. That's, I think, that's the Prudential building. No, actually, it's John Hancock building. One of them buildings. Not too far. Still walking. Where you at? 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 Where you at, boy? 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 Hey, boy. Where you at, boy? 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 Are you tired, boy? Are you tired, Papa? You're not tired. You're not tired. Hey, come here. Calm down. Come here. Hey, slow down. Wait. Yeah, people, like I was saying this is Positive Vibes again from Positive Vibes TV. Right now I'm here in Dudley Station and I'm still here walking with Benjamin. We're on about 5.5 miles right now. Probably got about 1.5 miles to go. So instead of 6 miles, it's gonna turn into about 7 miles. So I'm still out here walking. So if you see my lips are dry, it's because I don't have water and I'm very thirsty, right? And flip the camera around and show you something. Right, this empty spot that we're looking at right here, that used to be the Boston Police Station. Benjamin? And they moved it maybe a couple years ago and it's currently over there. Let's see if we can zoom in and you can see the police and police cars, right? And then if you can see on the other side, that's the Dudley Station, where you have the buses that people take for work and the public transportations. And yeah, I'm one of those guys that use it sometimes. I don't like it, but sometimes I use it. But it's convenient. So there's Benjamin's tired. I am tired. Dudley Station. And we're gonna walk that way. And right here is the Boston Public Library. Boston Public Library. Yeah, the Dudley Station. I don't think they call it Dudley Station anymore. Come on, boy. Come on, Papa. I don't think they call it Dudley Station anymore. I think they call it like something else. I'm not sure what it is. But they call it some other thing. All right. Peace and love. Talk to you later. All right, people. Welcome back again. This is Warren Garden. This is this is a Warren Garden, and it's place in Christmas time. This place lit up really, really nice. They put the Christmas tree and everything right here. Not Christmas tree, but all these things that you see right here. They got them decorated nicely and a whole bunch more stuff. Yeah. So that's Warren. We're on Warren Street right now, heading home. And yeah, you can see Keepers of the Garden. That's what that is. Keepers of the Garden. Come on, Benny. Stay focused. So Benny, stop right here. Look at these trees. Beautiful flowers. Springtime is beautiful. It's always a beautiful color. We got a couple more already. It's beautiful trees right here. Elliot. 1630. Oh, it's a long time. See there, people. This tree's good, you know. Benny, come on. This tree's good. This tree's good, but it would be better if we, as black people, know a lot more. I don't want to say a little more about our history, because I don't want to like shortchange, but just know a lot more for our history, you know, that they're hiding from us. Yeah. Beautiful tree right here. It's nice. Nature, man. Nature. Well, people, we're almost home. We're almost home, and like I said, we're still on the journey. While some people are like at school, at work, I mean, while some people are at church, we're walking. While some people still sleeping, we're walking. Benjamin and I, we're out here, man. We've been out there for a while now, and we still continue to be out here. We're now going. We're out here, and we're now going. See him, Benny? Come on, boy. Hey, Papa, let's go. All right, we're gonna continue to head in that direction. We're on Warren Street, St. John Missionary Baptist Church. Yeah, I don't do the church thing, but they don't know. I ain't gonna burn it. I'm not gonna burn it out, but to reach them on. My church is anywhere I'm at. Right here is my church, and I give thanks and praise, like you all heard earlier in the video. We give thanks and praise for life, man. Good to wake up in the morning. We don't take it for granted, man. Yeah? Yeah, that's what we say. Positive vibes alongside Benjamin. Yes, we're out here, man. Come on. You know, like up the video, subscribe to the channel, and then share up the video, and then, you know, make it go on. Big respect and love every time.